Welcome to Sabrina's Cleaning Services, and I am doing a how-to on cleaning a fan. I want to show you, and the only reason I'm doing a live is because it's going, my camera, I don't want to potentially ruin it from the water, but I want to show you how I clean a fan. This one cannot come down, so I have to clean it while it's up there. When you attempt this, please be careful. The lighting in here, it's a beautiful window though. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to have to get up here. Okay, so if you look up here, you can see these little grooves. Maybe. Okay, there we go. You can see these little grooves where stuff is still stuck in there. Okay? So, what I have learned is I've tried to use two of my tile and grout brushes. I've tried to use my thin one and I've tried to use my thick one. And unfortunately, you can only get so much with those brushes. They do great, but they don't get into those tiny, tiny crevices where you want to get that clean, like spotless. So, this is what we use. These are actually straw cleaners, but I got them under the cleaning department on Amazon. I think it was like $4 for this whole entire thing. Just comes on a keychain kind of thing. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray. I don't know if I can do this. Let's see here. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. I'm too scared to do that. Anyway, what I'm going to do is spray some Zep cleaner on this. I mean, it's not going to be a lot and it's not going to do a whole bunch, but at least I'll have something. And hi. And so, I don't know if you can see it. So it's just a straw brush. It's just a straw brush. And I'm going to start with here. So first I'm going to get it wet. So just bear with me, y'all. Okay. And please be careful when you are doing something like this. Okay. And you may need a smaller one. I have tiny, tiny, tiny. So let's try. I think I had this one. Let's try this tiny, tiny, tiny one. Sorry, guys. Hold on. I have to hold you with my boob. Oh, I crack myself up. I'm just straightening it out. Okay, there we go. Okay. Ooh, you see that? Oh, yeah. Look at all that stuff. That's what I'm talking about. That's exciting. Look at this. Ooh. Stuff just fell on my leg. Ooh. Freaks you out, right? What is touching me? This is kind of satisfying for me because I can do basic cleans all day long. I don't mind them. And this is a bi-weekly cleaning. But there are times when I just want to really clean. I just want to kind of murder your bathroom. I just want to take things apart. I just want to clean. And all of my clients, I am blessed with amazing clients. Anytime that I just want to clean something extra or whatever, I can do it. That's what's so good about only having one client a day, because you can do that. You can take advantage of that time, and you don't have to rush. Oh, it's on my leg. You don't have to rush. You don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, because that's not, you should probably have a mask on too. But anyway, so that's what I do. So just take the straw brush. I rinse it out every now and then, and I dust off my leg. So that's what I do, and you might want to try it too. And if you try it and you like it, leave a comment. Thanks. Love you. Bye.